Hello everyone, this is Marta Saldiva and I'm doing this screencast video to show you what's up to date with the insurance with the DHR Clinic Center. We have our recurring operating hours is from 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Coming soon this May 2018, 7:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Fridays, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Saturdays. Medical services, access to higher level of care, health education and promotion, nutrition education, behavioral health and counseling, acute illnesses, cough, cold and flu, chronic conditions, diabetic, obesity, asthma. Lab testing, now they can take the labs, they can do the labs right there. Physicals, they can do your annual physicals, and vaccinations. They can do your flu shots, your tetanus shots, any shots that you need, they can do it there. Another thing coming also is the x-ray machine. I heard that if you fall or need an x-ray, that they can take very good x-rays with this new machine, very up to date. Starting this April 23rd, extended hours of operation, which I just said, starting this May. Gender-specific counseling, vision screening through DHR Mobile Health Clinic, Women Health Services, annual exams, pap smears, mammograms, orders, and wellness labs. Online appointment schedule also. And you can go through the ECISD website, which I'll show you in a little bit, of how to do that. And once you do it, you get it all set in your online, you can just drop by and they'll let you in. Very convenient. Another thing too is the summer 2018 wellness opportunities. It's going to be 100% covered by ECISD health plan. Is the blood work at DHR facility, the colonoscopy. The colonoscopy is 50 years old for women, I think 55 for men. Mammogram screenings, osteoporosis screenings, prostate cancer screenings, cervical cancer screenings, cardiovascular diseases screening, annual wellness exams with a $30 office visit copay. It must meet age requirements, and that's through the Blue Cross Blue Shield document. You can find out the webpage. Anyways, these are great things that are happening for the insurance and for us teachers and workers from ECISD. Now we're in the ECISD website, and the appointment to make for the DHR clinic, you go over here through departments. You go to the departments on ECISD, you scroll down to Employee Benefits Wellness, and you go to where it says School-Based Health Online Appointment Schedule, right here on the ECISD School-Based Health Center. You click it. You click it right here and it'll take you to the online appointment. It'll give you a paper where you have to put your name, number, your Blue Cross Blue Shield number, and everything else that they need to know. Once you finish it, you put it in and you can head to the DHR clinic and they should take you in no time. Okay, if you have any questions, please email me or you can call the insurance representative through our ECISD phone. Thank you. Have a good day.